This is not what these are, but what are they, Chrissy?
They look like a torture device.
Keeps calves from nursing their mother when the calves get too old.
That's my uncle said that in the 40s and 50s he remembers them on their farm, and they actually would put them around the calf's head, and then when the calf would go nurse, it would poke mama.
Yes, because the calf was done nursing.
And they're sharp. So you know that is the mama's skin down there thick?
Oh,
So
yeah.
Yes.
so yeah, but like looks like something you'd see on a horror movie, but that's
It
how
does.
it looked on the cow.
It does.
So yeah, it's not a vintage climbing tree thing. It's an antique calf?
And a calf deterrent nurse or deterrent calf nurser or something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
Yikes! So I would say all the mamas that are breastfeeding should be glad their babies don't have to wear these.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Boy, you said
They
it.
don't develop teeth too early.
Peace.